Okay, so let's take a look at how you can get nodes under specific label using Neo4j. So open command prompt and here type in Neo4j, then space start to start Neo4j service. Okay, and then you can go for Neo4j space console to open console on port 7474. So localhost 7474 should show you something like this. So in top you find your query editor. Okay, use shift enter to increase the amount of lines you wish to write on, and here type in match. Then let's say I have a node with name employee. Okay, and I wish to return all the nodes with that label. Okay, so I will just use return n, and that should show me total 8 nodes and its respective properties when I take the mouse over it. Okay, so you get the idea how to get nodes under specific label. So currently, as you can see, I have one label named employee which returns 8 nodes. Can choose, let's say, node with property and label under this family label. So let's run this, and as you can see, it also has around 7 nodes in it. So you get the idea how to get nodes under specific label and properties with Neo4j.